Intro. Hi, I'm Andy from AI Unveiled, and today we're going to be talking about financial AI. Financial AI is the use of artificial intelligence in the financial sector. It's a rapidly growing field, with new applications being developed all the time. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the most exciting ways that financial AI is being used today. We'll also discuss the potential risks and challenges of this technology. So, what is financial AI? Financial AI is a broad term that encompasses a wide range of technologies. Some of the most common applications of financial AI include fraud detection. Financial AI can be used to detect fraudulent transactions. This is done by analyzing large amounts of data to identify patterns that are indicative of fraud. Risk management. Financial AI can be used to assess and manage risk. This can be done by analyzing data to identify potential risks and then developing strategies to mitigate those risks. Investment management. Financial AI can be used to manage investment portfolios. This can be done by using algorithms to identify undervalued assets or to make predictions about the future performance of the market. Customer service. Financial AI can be used to provide customer service. This can be done by using chatbots to answer customer questions or to provide personalized financial advice. The benefits of financial AI. There are many potential benefits of financial AI. Some of the most important benefits include increased efficiency. Financial AI can automate many tasks that are currently performed by humans. This can free up employees to focus on more strategic work. Improved decision-making. Financial AI can help businesses make better decisions by providing them with more accurate and timely information. Reduced risk. Financial AI can help businesses reduce risk by identifying and mitigating potential risks. Increased customer satisfaction. Financial AI can help businesses improve customer satisfaction by providing them with more personalized and efficient service. The risks and challenges of financial AI. While there are many potential benefits of financial AI, there are also some risks and challenges that need to be considered. Some of the most important risks and challenges include job displacement. As financial AI becomes more sophisticated, it is likely to displace some jobs in the financial sector. Data privacy. Financial AI uses large amounts of data, which raises concerns about data privacy. Algorithmic bias. Financial AI algorithms can be biased, which can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Systemic risk. The use of financial AI could increase systemic risk in the financial system. The future of financial AI. The future of financial AI is very bright. As the technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative and groundbreaking applications of financial AI. Financial AI has the potential to revolutionize the financial sector and to make a significant impact on the global economy. Outro. Thanks for watching this video on financial AI. I hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on financial AI and other related topics.